Hi, this is Mark with an update on yet another spookily accurate entry. This is the New Zealand dollar, and I showed you in the live session on Tuesday within 1 pip I caught this one, having waited for it to come all the way back up from down here. So it's come into my zone and I have caught the order. Initially I had the stop up here, and then I think it was up here, and then during the live training session we moved it here because it was struggling yesterday. Yesterday it finally broke and closed below the 200 EMA, which is significant. Today, the very next day, came back, touched it, and has dropped. We're now at 60, 0.60. We have done more than the average day's range, and there is no more scheduled news today. So I'm concerned that this may just drift into the weekend. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close half of the trade. So you go to close, and I've got a full lot on. I'm now going to take 0.5 off, which will leave me with a balance of 0.5, and I'm going to move the stop. And to do that, I'm going to have a look at the 4 hour and see how price is consolidated. And for now, I'm just going to leave it behind that 200 EMA, and I'm going to leave the overall target now down here at 58.10. I was hoping this was going to drop down here. See how last time it touched the 55 to the pip. It doesn't look like it's doing it, and for the reasons I've just explained, I would rather take some profit than leave it all on the table. So, spookily accurate, pre-planned from weeks ago, and it started with me looking at the weekly chart, and there you had it, multiple reasons. Hope that helps. Catch you later.